In our previous lesson, we've learned how to say a little or a little bit. 一点儿. Do you remember how to say, I can speak a little Chinese? 我会说一点中文. Here, a little or a little bit is used to modify a noun, the Chinese language. So a little or a little bit is 一点儿. However, if a little or a little bit is used to modify an adjective like tired or hungry, you need to use 有点儿 instead of 一点儿. Now say a little bit tired. 有点累. 有点累. Now ask, what's wrong? Answer, I'm a little tired. 我有点累. 我有点累. Now say, I'm feeling a little under the weather. 我有点不舒服. 我有点不舒服. 非常好, that's all for this lesson. 再见。